In this video, I want to show you how to plot Durov diagram using graph software. So a Durov diagram is a powerful hydrogeological tool similar to paper diagram that visually represents the major ion chemistry, that is, cations and anions of water, using two separate triangular plots called ternary diagram for ions with a central square showing their combined influences. So it helps to classify water types and understand geochemical processes like ion exchange and water mixing. So in this video, I'll show you how to plot it, just as you can see on the screen. So to start, I have these results in Excel. You can see the results of lab analysis for each of these parameters. So after you have gotten the result of your parameters just like this, tabulate it in Excel as you are seeing on the screen. Then open Graph software. Here is Graph. I'll click to launch it. Yes, when it's open, you can close this welcome address. Yes. Now to plot the Durov diagram, what you need to do after you have opened it, come under graph or new graph depending on the version of graph you are using. Then here you see ternary. Click on it and click on Durov diagram. When you do that, it will prompt you to navigate to where you have your data sets. In this case, I have my data sets in my tutorial folder under Graph, and here is its sample results. So I will click to select it and click on open. When you open it, immediately it will display in the worksheet manager here, and you can see or view your data here, and it will immediately create the Durov diagram, just as you can see. The ternary on the left represent the cations, the magnesium, calcium, and sodium, potassium, while the ternary at the upper right represent the anions, that is, the carbonates, bicarbonates, the chloride, and also the sulfates, while the rectangular ternary represents the influence of both ternary here. That is, this one you are seeing here, the cations, was created from this data set. Likewise, this anions diagram was created from here, that is from the data. However, the rectangular ternary was created from the results generated or gotten from these two ternary. Now to edit this plot, just click to highlight it. Once you click on it, the property manager will be active. Then for example, if you want to change the title, you can come to title and you can see graph 1, you can edit it by clicking here. So this will open this text editor for you to edit it. Let's call it Durov diagram. And here you can change the font, you can make it bold, and you can increase the font as well and click on OK. And similarly, you can change the font from here by making it bold, for example, and increase the font size. Make it bold. Similarly, you can choose to change the color of this plot. For example, if you want to change it, come to any of these, let's say the cations, and then come to symbol. So to change the color of the symbol, scroll down here, and here you can come to this foreground color, you can change it to red, and you can increase the size as deem fit. So as you are changing it, you can see the result here. However, take note of one thing. If you are changing, for example, the cations, it will affect all other ones. It will affect the anions, and also it will affect the rectangle ternary. So for example, if I'm increasing it, as I'm increasing it, it's increasing for all. Then to export your results, come here. You can see this icon called export. Click on it and then navigate to your working folder. Let's call it Durov 2 and choose your format and click on save. Then choose your pixel dimension and click on OK. Then if you go to that folder, here is it, Durov 2. I can click to open it. You can see the results. So this is how to plot Durov diagrams in Grapher. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.